what you guys, I guess, perceive of them.
Sure. Well, Robert and Vicki Malloy, and we had put out a couple bids actually for Seawall. We didn't do our due diligence and we chose somebody else first. We were unpleasantly surprised that didn't work out. And so we went to All Florida Seawall, and they accepted our bid, the one that they'd given us before. They could have jacked it up, but they didn't. And they've been, Johnny and his wife and everyone have been 100% excellent.
Awesome. So your experience with another company was not as good as it's been with All Florida Seawall.
No, and I would just like to advise everyone that wants to know that do your due diligence. You can take it from me. They can call me if they want to, okay? That this is a good company. It's a backed up company. It's been around. They do what they're going to say to do. They're honest and fair.
Awesome. Is there anything else you'd like to add?
Well, Mr. Johnny's a lovely man, well-spoken, and knows what he's doing, and he's made the promise that he's kept all through. The guys are great. They're just as nice and friendly as they can be.
Crew showed up. They're very knowledgeable. They've got all the equipment they need.
And they
so far,
they work hard.
Pleasant experience.
Yeah.
Fantastic. We definitely recommend All Florida Seawall.
Yeah. And the family, the whole family. We met Kathy, and now we met one of the children, and they're a lovely family.
Thank you so much.